Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my official YouTube channel. I'm Chris Anya by name, as you know, and then today we'll be talking about trend line, understanding trend line, how to trade trend line, and how to trade with trend line. Okay, yeah. So before we get into that, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, so that we'll know your whether you understand or not, or you have a question. Just drop it in the comment section and make sure you subscribe. And also there's a link there that will link you to that will direct you to my YouTube, my Telegram channel, where you can contact me directly, and yeah, so that you can be part of us. Yeah, guys. So now let's get to the topic of the day. Yeah. Now, you see, what I'll be sharing with you in this video will be as simple as possible. I don't know, take it hard, make it look hard. Now, all these things are not hard. All these things are really simple. Technical analysis are simple, but is people try to maybe present it to be hard. No, they are not hard. To be really sincere with you, they are not hard. Just follow as we'll continue. So they are really simple. Simple. I mean, really simple and short. Good. So it's just all about understanding. That's how I termed it, understanding trend line. Good. Now, let me hit it fast as possible. Now, if you come here, I'll be using some stuff like this. Okay, to show you the way the market moves. Okay, and then you can see I'm coming. Just give me a little moment, and then yeah. So as you can see, and then like this. So this is the way the market moves. Okay, if you have done the fundamental, first fundamental, this is the way the market moves. That is, it moves impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction. That's how the market moves. Also the same thing too, if it's moving to the downside, it moves impulsive correction, impulsive. Yeah, so guys, this is the way the market moves, also to the downside. It moves in this format, as I said here, impulsive correction, impulsive. Same here, impulsive correction, impulsive. That's the way the market moves. And now, as it's moving like this, if you look at this side, it's moving to the upside. It's moving to the upward direction. And here it's moving to downward side. So it's moving to the high. It's moving high, and then here it's moving to the low. So now, this is called higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So as the market moves, this is where the market moves: impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, forming higher highs and higher low. The same thing too when it comes to the downward movement. It moves. This one is called lower high, lower low, lower low, and then if it moves again like this, it's called lower high. So it's moving to the high, it is higher high and higher low. It's moving to the low, it's lower high and what? Lower low. So these are will I say, kind of terminology and kind of key points. So actually you just need to know in order to get the trend line as simple as it is, as simple as it is. Now, knowing this, higher highs, higher low. Now, what is a trend line? What is a trend line? Now, a trend line is as simple as this. A trend line is the connection of two lower lows or two lower high. Now, if you look at this, as you know, this is higher low, higher low. So a trend line is the connection of two higher low or two higher high. The same thing when it's in a downtrend. Two lower high or two lower low. So that is a trend line. A trend line is the connection of two lower low, two lower high, two higher low, two higher high. That is what we call a trend line. So until there's a connection like this, two higher high, two higher low, then you can see what that is a trend line as this. Now you see the connection. There is higher low here, higher low here. So this is actually a connection. Now, so you guys might be asking, okay, is it that the trend line should just have only two touch? No, it can have as many touch as possible. It can have 5 touches, 4 touches, as many touch as possible. as many touch as possible. So once you just get this simple and short, the connection of two lower lows or the connection of two lower high, the connection of two higher lows or the connection of two higher high, that is what a trend line means. That's what we call a trend line. Now, good. Okay, now you see over here in a live chart. Now, if you see over here in a live chart, remember I see the way the market moves. It moves in this form of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then that's how it continually move. So that is the way the market moves. It moves in that form. So now remember I said drawing a trend line is connecting two higher highs or two lower lows. Now as this, for example, now you want to connect this. These are, if you see, these are lows, these are series of low below, and then I connect them. So this is a trend line. This is this is a trend line. If you can see a touch here, a touch here, and a touch here. These are actually trend lines. You can see the trend line. So this is a trend line. The connection of what at least two lows or two highs, two higher high, two higher low, two lower low, two lower high. So that is what a trend line is, and this is how to draw a trend line. This is how to draw a trend line. This is how to draw a trend line. So now this is the basics on trend line when there's at least two or three touches on it. Now, so good. I believe you guys will like to know to how to trade a trend line, how to trade using a trend line. If you want to know that, if you want to really see that, please then make sure you subscribe to this channel and wait for the next video. The next video will be on how to trade a trend line, how to trade using a trend line, and then how to make money with a trend line, yeah, how to understand and trade the trend line. So you make sure you subscribe so that you can actually wait for the next video, click the notification button. So when we just drop it, we will drop it anytime from now, a day, 24 hours, 12 hours, as the case may be. So make sure you subscribe so that you can actually get to watch our next video on what trading with a trend line. So guys, love you guys. Bye.